Unfortunately, Nano Pro only lets you generate a limited number of images per day. But today, I'm going to show you the exact trick I use to unlock unlimited renders without breaking the platform. And it's all for free. Watch this carefully because one small step makes all the difference. The tool that we're going to be using today is called lmarena. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description. I've already mentioned it in my previous tutorial. So when you land on a website and you log into your account, what you want to do, if you're going to make a comparison between the new model, which is Nano Pro, and the 2.5 model, what you want to do simply is just click on the drop-down menu on the top left right here to choose side by side, and then be sure to click on the image icon that's going to show up right below the search bar. And then there's going to be two drop-down menus right next to the one on the top left where you get to choose the model. So be sure to choose the model number 3, which is Nano or Gemini 3 Pro. That's Nano Pro. And then Gemini 2.5. This is the previous version. Now, the screenshot that's going to show up right in front of you right now is basically when I got locked up as soon as I generated my 5 trials that I'm allowed. So here's how it works. When you generate consecutive 5 images, you'll be locked up for almost an hour, and then the limit will reset again, allowing you to generate more or 5 more images, and then you'll get locked up again for another hour, and then so on, throughout the day. From my perspective, I think that the tool or the people behind the tool are generous enough to provide you with more generations, because most of you already know that if you use Nano Pro directly on Google or any other website, you're most likely going to get 3 to 5 images per day. But on lmarena, you're allowed to generate more than 5, so it's basically unlimited. The only limit is simply locking you up between every 5 generations or 5 renders. This way, it's pretty fair enough, since it's free. So as you can see here, the prompt on the screenshot, it basically shows you that the last thing that I was working on right before I record this tutorial is the pasta ad. So here, this is 1, previous to that 2, 3, 4, and then 5. This is when I got locked up again. Now, I did produce 5 other images here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is my limit. I'm going to show you right now. I already copied the prompt. I'm going to try it again right here to show you that I'm going to get locked up for almost an hour. And let's see what happens. We hit enter, wait, and then see. All right, check out this. All right, you have reached your rate limit for Gemini 3 Pro preview, Nano Pro. Please try again in 15 minutes. So like I said, you almost get an hour waiting time until you're able to generate 5 more images. So this tool basically gives you more images throughout the day so you can create whatever you want. So I hope you found this helpful. And if you like hacks like this, let me know in the comments below what tool are you interested in. But until then, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.